Hi guys, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. This is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and we are going to make this fun little project right here. It's going to be the belly band that goes over our little silver tins, and on the inside you open it up and look at how much little Hershey Kisses can fit on the inside. Just kind of a fun little treat you can hand out to people, maybe your next door neighbors, or little stocking stuffers you can give to whomever. But I thought this was a cute little project and it takes no time at all. So to get started, we're going to be using the brightly gleaming paper. This is a rollover from last year. You may be familiar with it. If not, it is absolutely stunning in person. And we're going to be using the matching Christmas Gleaming stamp set. It's a cling stamp set. We're going to be using 3 stamps. We're using that bulb, that greeting, and then of course the holly and leaves. We're going to be using the matching punches that come with it. These punches right here, when you stamp these 3 images right here, these punch them out. So we're going to be using this one right here. We're also going to be using our Dainty Diamonds 3D embossing folder. We're going to punch one of these out using the ornament punch. We also use the second to the largest circle die from the Stitch Shape dies. We did that in Berry Vanilla. So I did that ahead of time just because we're going to be doing a little bit of coloring. Inks we're using today is Pretty Peacock and the Memento Black. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and get some of these things stamped up right away. Next, we're going to do our ornament. For this right here, I am just going to cut it straight across with your snips or any other scissors. Try to do it the best you can, leaving a little bit of a border, which I'm probably going to mess up on this bottom one. Now we're ready to punch this out. We're going to take our punch again and punch out one of these. You're also going to need some of the Designer Series paper. This is 3" by 8", and then Very Vanilla we're going to use for the base that lays underneath it. This is 8" by 3½. All right, and now on to our coloring. Okay, we used dark real red and the light and dark mossy meadow. Now we're ready to cut these out. Now we're ready to build our belly band. Next, we're going to take and put a little bit of tape or Seal Plus, and we're going to wrap this around. Now it's going to be tight a little bit at first, but the more you maneuver it, the more you pop it off. You don't want it too loose though, because you want to make sure that it stays on there and doesn't get all loosey-goosey on you. Okay, so next we're going to take and put a couple of these hollies. Now what I did first is I just kind of lined it up on here to see where I wanted. And then we're just going to put a little bit of tape on the sides of these. You're going to need this ribbon right here, which is in the annual catalog. On the back of this, we're going to put dimensionals. Now we're ready for these wonderful little ornaments here. So there we have it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy project. It's wonderful to give little treats in here. You can put so many different things in here. It's a 4 by 2½, I think, inch little box. Perfect little tin. Thank you so much for watching us and joining us today. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this and cards. And for measurements and pictures, be sure to visit our blog in the description below. Have a wonderful day. Bye.